Hey guys, so you also want to switch your career from non-IT to IT, or you are just graduated from the college and you want to come to the IT, okay? Or you are getting confused, like is IT is going to be okay for me? Okay, so in this video we'll discuss about all those things, and also we'll remove some of the misconception in the people. Okay, we have like IT people earn a lot of money. Okay, crores of package will be there for TLP, 50 LPM, and they always work in the cutting edge technologies, AI, machine learning, and everything. And also, work life balance is very great. Okay, 9 to 5 job. That's it. After that, no job work will be there. Okay, so we'll remove those misconceptions actually, and what are the things you need to consider before coming into the IT. Okay, so the first one is uh, the IT people make a lot of money. Okay, so this is a lot of people have, okay, in the mind that, okay, so who are working in software engineering one, okay, and data science, lot of DevOps, lot of web development. Okay, in this role people earn a lot of money. But the thing is, and after seeing this one only, a lot of people wants to switch. They are working in another domain, but after seeing my friend is earning this much in the software engineering, so I also want to switch. But the thing is, not everyone will earn that much money. Okay, so very less people earn that much money, crores of package, 50 lpa, 70 lp. Okay, so you can also earn. Okay, everyone can earn, but everyone will not earn that much, because to earn that much of money, for the first thing you need is a huge amount of knowledge and the experience. These two things you need. Okay, so IT is about the experience and the knowledge. That's it. Okay, so how much experience you have, how much technology you've worked on, and the knowledge you have in the different tech stack, okay, that matters. And if you have a 5 years, 7 years of experience, and easily you can earn that much of money. Okay, but the thing is, so you have to be upgraded yourself to reach that level. Okay, otherwise I also seen a people who are working 5 years, 7 years, still they are not earning that much money. It is because of the IT is all about upskilling yourself, because here a lot of different technologies comes compared to the other uh, domain every month, every year. Okay, so you have to be adopted for that one, because the right now company what you are working right now, so it needs some AWS cloud technology. Assume AWS it need. But if you switch after a few months, if you go into the next company, okay, but they need a Azure. Now you have to learn that one also. Again, if you go to another company, they need a GCP. Again, you have to learn that one. Right now you are working on a Java programming language. If you switch to another company, they are using maybe Python. So you have to learn about the Python from the scratch. Again, next company somebody is using C++. Okay, or your project requirement is that one. So you have to be adopt for that one. You can't say that, okay, I don't know about those things. Okay, when you recruiter calls you, okay, so they also many times what happens is, if you are okay to learn, then they are also okay to hire you. Otherwise, I am only stick to this. I know about the AWS and the Java, that's it. I don't learn anything. So that's not how it works. Okay, so in order to get more package, though, there's you have to, in order to reach that level, so you have to be upgrade yourself every time. And the next thing is, the cutting edge technology is what people always talk about. Okay, AI and machine learning, always software engineering people work in that one, on that one. Okay, but that's also not in the case every time, because a lot of projects you will be, okay, lots of projects you are going to be implemented, where just like many times what happens is just solving the bugs. Sometimes you have to work on the legacy systems which is a very old. Okay, so you have to learn the programming language for those things also, how they written. Okay, maybe different programming language they written. Okay, so you have to understand that one also. And many times you are not working on a features, you are just working on a fixing the bugs. Okay, and that is for away. Okay, but when you implement, put in any projects, okay, a lot of times what happens is you are just doing these stuffs only. Okay, sometimes you are doing the same task again and again. So you have to be you have to be understand that every time you are not going to be working on the features, every time you are not going to be work on the some cutting edge technologies. Okay, sometimes this is the how, based on the project requirement, based on the projects, the work will be, every project is not going to be that much high level. And the third thing is work life balance. Work life balance is like it depends on the companies. Okay, so for some companies, work life balance is very good. Okay, but they don't want to stretch outside from the working hours. Okay, companies, they give that happy environment for the employees. But in other cases also, like uh, the startups, okay, main startups, what happens is lot of people will not be there in the startups, right? So compared to the MNCs, so because of the less people, they have to make sure that all the works is done, so that's why they have to stretch apart from the working hours. So that's why in startups, many startups are seen, they direct, they while interviewing only they will ask you, okay, so it is like this. Okay, so sometimes you have to work on a Saturday and Sunday also, because they can't adopt that much of employees right away, because of being a startups. Okay, so they have to work with what they have, right? And in big MNCs also, okay, not only about depends on the companies, it depends on the projects also. If the deadlines is there, so you have to be complete your work within deadlines. So that's why also, because of that also, you have to stretch your working hours many times. And you have to work, if you are working in as a some data engineering or anything, okay, so some pipelines break or something like that, so sometimes you have to work in the Saturday and Sunday also to fix that pipeline. So in order to, nothing will happen on the Monday morning, right? So it depends, okay, for every role. Okay, so if you are in a critical role, so you have to be always cautious that, okay, my role is not only for the 9 to 5, that's it. Okay, so whenever team need me, then I have to be there. You have to understand that one. And the next thing is the important thing is for the students who just graduated from the college, they wants to come to the IT. Okay, so for them, okay, well, the one thing is whenever they see you, these YouTubers, okay, these influencers, they come they get influenced that I have to work on those big tech companies, man, but like Amazon, Google. Okay, these only they have that in mind. Okay, I want to work here only. So because of that one, they only concentrate on those companies. So here, what the thing you miss is, when you just graduate from the college, you don't have that experience. Okay, what those companies need, those companies, you will get higher. Okay, I'm not saying that you will not get higher, but you should not aim for those companies only at the beginning of your career, because those companies ask huge amount of experience and knowledge. Okay, so they need that one, and they also need the nowadays the college also. Okay, they only hire from these big colleges. Okay, so that is a different part, but when you just graduate from the college, don't have that one only in mind. Okay, so because many other companies are there, startups are there, who are really working on a very good cause. Okay, very good tech stack. Okay, so when you went there, okay, so lot of exposure you will get. And the best thing is, so when you work on the startups, so you will get to know all about those different accounts also. Otherwise what happens in big MNCs, so for everything there will be different accounts will be there for a developer. Okay, for if you are working as a data scientist, so you'll work on that one only, your team stick to that one only, you can't go here and there. But in what, when you are working in startups, okay, a lot of less people will be there, you connected with a lot of different people over there. Okay, so you have to work in a data with the data engineers, with the data analyst, with the software engineering, with the web developers. You get a lot of exposure over there, right? So that's why, so don't only have that man how to go over there only. You can go that after getting the few years of experience, you can go over there. And if you suddenly went over there also, where to the big companies, they are working in very good technologies, assume. Okay, so you just graduated from the college, so you will not cope up, because you don't have that hands-on experience. You just have the projects which literally no one cares. sometimes some companies, because projects anyone can take from projects from anywhere. If they are good project, then it's okay. Okay, but a normal project, okay, you are thinking that these projects get me those jobs, no. Okay, so that's why have many plans. Okay, so don't only stick to the one plan that I have to go to that company. So parallelly apply for the different companies also. And the other thing is, when it comes to the salary packages, okay, when the freshers once after seeing their brothers and everywhere who are already working, okay, so they are earning 20-30 lpa. Okay, because of that one also you also want that one. So because of that, you start ignoring the companies which already offered you. Okay, maybe some companies offered you 1 lakh, 2 lakh per annum, but you have that in mind that okay, I have to get that 20 30 lpa. But the hard truth is, you are not in a position to negotiate for the salaries right now, right? So you just graduate from the college, you don't have any experience, you have the projects which anyone can make. Okay, you are otherwise you are already taken from internet and put over there in the resume. Okay, so companies prefer experience over the projects. Okay, whatever the projects it is. Okay, so that's why you are not in a position to negotiate for the salaries right now. After the 1 year you can start negotiating. Okay, because you can tell that I have this experience, but before that you cannot. Okay, so just because of that, my advice is, for 1 year don't care about the salary. Okay, if they are giving for 7,000, 10,000, 15,000, okay, just go for that one. I also seen many companies just offer the internship, unpaid internship also, where they don't pay any money. Okay, so don't care about that one. If you are, if however, after the college, rather than sitting idly without any work, joining the companies is a better option. With they pay, not pay, at least you get a knowledge, right? So that's why. So join the company whatever they are paying. Okay, after a few months, just concentrate 1 year on the experience and the knowledge. Okay, just concentrate on the knowledge on that 1 year. Work with the technologies. Okay, work with a good tech stack. So once you got that experience, then you are in a position to negotiate. You can tell that now, you can proudly tell that I worked on this one, I worked on this one, I have this skill sets. So when why I'm telling is, so based on my experience also, when I was working earlier also, where at the beginning after my graduation, so I got a two offer from big MNCs, two big MNCs. Okay, so the B company giving me more than 20,000 compared to the A. Okay, so but because of the role, I avoided that 20,000. Okay, it's more, or I don't care about those. I choose the first company because of the role. You always look for the role. Okay, role matters. Okay, so being in that role, 1 year I worked. Okay, with a very less pay. Okay, 1 year I just concentrate on the knowledge. Okay, and when I switched after 1 year, okay, I got a more than 200% of hike. Okay, I'm not exaggerating here. Okay, but that is what you get when you concentrate for beginning of your career completely on the knowledge. So that is it for in this video. Okay, so if you found it knowledgeable, okay, or you have aspiring friends also who want to join to the IT, okay, so you can share the video with them also. Okay, and you can subscribe to the channel. Okay, you can share the video, and you can connect me on the LinkedIn also. Okay, if you need any guidance. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much.